Do you seek to unlock the secrets of the wealthy and discover how to build your own fortune for yourself? Look no further, as this video is tailored specifically to help you on your quest for financial success. Did you know that a remarkable 65% of self-made millionaires have 3 or more sources of income? This shows the power of diversification. Relying on a single income source is like putting all your eggs in one basket, risky and potentially disastrous. Allow me to be your guide through the world of alternative income streams. By pursuing these options effectively, you can escape financial predicaments and bring financial freedom ever closer to your grasp. The first path to riches lies in business ownership. A remarkable 55% of millionaires have built their wealth through successful enterprise. They bring their ideas to life, creating profitable businesses that generate a steady flow of income. Remember, it's not just about starting a business, but also scaling it for long-term success. Investments and real estate. Now let's venture into the realm of investments. An impressive 73% of wealthy individuals wisely invest their money in various assets. They become masters of the stock market, acquiring stocks and bonds that provide regular dividends and interest payments. Some also find wealth in real estate, collecting rent from their properties. Royalties and intellectual property. Picture this: by earning royalties from their intellectual property, around 12% of millionaires create a steady income stream. Whenever their patents, copyrights, or trademarks are licensed or sold, they receive a share of the profits. It's like being rewarded for your creative prowess. Side businesses and hustles. But there's more to the story. About 45% of the wealthy embark on side businesses and hustles. They monetize their skills and passions, creating additional streams of income. It's all about seeking opportunities, pursuing your interests, and turning them into profitable ventures. Now that we've uncovered the riches hidden within these income streams, it's time to take a deeper dive into the specific details you should focus on and the common pitfalls you must avoid. Let us unravel the secrets of what it takes to embark on these wealth-building endeavors in the most effective way possible. Knowledge is the key to unlocking financial success. Educate yourself about investment opportunities, business trends, and emerging markets. Immerse yourself in books, attend seminars, and seek guidance from experienced professionals. Expand your knowledge, and the path to wealth will reveal itself. But beware, my friends, for risks abound. Consult with trusted advisors, a financial expert, a lawyer, an accountant, to navigate treacherous waters. They will help you manage risks and protect your hard-earned assets. Adaptability is the secret ingredient for success. Continuously learn from your experiences, adjust your strategies, and embrace new opportunities. Flexibility and resilience are the tools that turn challenges into stepping stones towards prosperity. Delegation and outsourcing play a vital role in managing your multiple income streams. As your wealth grows, entrust capable individuals to assist you. Delegate tasks and responsibilities, freeing yourself to focus on higher value activities. Outsourcing certain aspects of your business can also help you maximize efficiency. Furthermore, diversification is the key to protecting your wealth. Spread your investments across different income streams to minimize risk. Explore various industries, asset classes, and markets. By doing so, you shield your wealth from the uncertainties of a single income source. Remember that building wealth through multiple income streams requires commitment, knowledge, and adaptability. Embrace the wisdom of the wealthy and let your aspirations soar as your dreams of financial freedom turn into reality. I offer my sincerest gratitude for joining me on this enchanting quest. If our magical insights have provided you with joy or insight, I humbly ask that you grant us the seal of your support by liking, subscribing, and commenting below, ensuring that together we can continue to spread financial wisdom. Farewell for now, brave souls. May the knowledge you've gained guide you to a brighter, more prosperous future.